What's going on, Shark Squad? Today we're here at Universal's Island of Adventure to check out Poseidon's Fury. It's permanently closing, and we're also going to take a lap around the park and see everything that is new. So let's dive right in. It's just finished raining, creating a nice and cool atmosphere on Island of Adventure. It's not too hot out and it's not too sunny. When it rains, they actually pull all of the guide maps, all the park maps inside so they do not get wet. We're now entering the area of discussion for the day, the Lost Continent. This area has killer background music. I'm trying to get right next to the speaker here. Maybe you guys could hear it. Now, there's lots of rumors circulating as to the future of the Lost Continent, and I'm going to talk about a few of those. Hey! What? Can you guys hear what he's saying? He's trying to tell us something. I think he said, for the people! Morgan & Morgan, America's largest injury law firm. Servicing over 49 states, and they have 800 plus lawyers. If you ever need some sort of lawyer for a car crash, injury, whatever you need, Morgan & Morgan is there for you. Injured and don't know where to start? With Morgan & Morgan, it's so easy. With Morgan & Morgan, you could submit a claim without ever having to leave the couch. In 8 clicks or less, you could submit a claim to Morgan & Morgan. Size does matter. Pound law. Morgan & Morgan for the people. Just look at this beautiful facade right here behind me. It is stunning. I gotta say, this is one of my favorite attractions at any Universal park. And you guys might think I'm crazy because I know it's not a ride, it's a walkthrough special effects show. And it's just so cool because there's not many of those left in existence. This is a dying form of attraction. And yes, it is permanently closing on May 9th. That'll be its final day of operation. And I am pretty sad about it because there is no other walkthrough special effects show at any Orlando theme park. The show has one of the most stunning facades out of any attraction in the entire world. I mean, it is truly breathtaking. Let's talk a little bit about Poseidon Fury replacements. On Twitter, on the internet, the leading rumor is that this place is going to be demolished and replaced with a Zelda attraction. I don't think that's the case. Universal, when they announced Poseidon's is closing, they said that it's making way for new entertainment offerings. They've also used the word new experiences, but the word entertainment is very specific, and that doesn't appear by accident. So my theory is that entertainment is putting a new show here in Poseidon's Fury. I could be totally wrong, but I have a feeling they're putting an IP-related show into the show building and using the same walkthrough style attraction. Alicia Stella from Orlando Park Stop, who does a podcast called Shark Stop with Dustin on our channel, she is speculating that this is closing down due to plumbing or air conditioning issues and that they don't want to spend more money to fix it. What do you guys think Poseidon's Fury is going to get replaced with? Let me know down below. All right, we are going in.
You guys must be here for the tour, right?
Trying to tour Poseidon. Poseidon.
Are you brave enough to make the passage under?
Yes. Are we brave enough?
Yes! Maintain its powerful land.
Water! Everywhere!
I thought she was gonna get us out of here. I feel like I blew it. I'd rather die. Now's my chance. Yes!
Dark enough. Now you will pay for your murderous ways. Farewell, Dark Wilderness. It is done. But under the protection of Lord Poseidon. Now go!
That show was fantastic. Now, a little birdie told me that they just installed 4K projectors there within the past 2 months, and you could tell. So for Poseidon's last month, it has fantastic 4K projection, great lighting, and overall an awesome presentation. So I definitely recommend checking it out. before May 9th when it permanently closes. This is the Mystic Fountain. He's going to be the only remaining attraction inside of the Lost Continent when Poseidon's Fury closes down. Behind it is the former Seven Voyages of Sinbad stunt show. This closed down in 2018. We've made it outside of the Velocicoaster, and the current wait time is 55 minutes. They do now offer Express Pass. We're gonna take a quick spin on Skull Island Reign of Kong. Look at this guy. Oh boy.
This cannot be good.
Zach and I, this is Zach. We are going on Popeyes and Bluto's Build Drop barges, and we're gonna see who will get more wet. Hopefully it's him. Here we go.
You're getting a shower!
All right, so far it's tied up. Zach is soaked, and I am soaked. Oh, Velocicoaster. All right, we are off, and here's our wonderful cameraman. But I would say I'm fairly soaked.
I got shoes full of water and I'm soaked head to toe.
And his wallet
And
is...
all my money's soaked.
I'm nice and dry though.
I think we could call it a tie. The only reason you might have to be a little bit more wet is your shoes are wet. I kicked my feet up. He kept his down.
All right, we'll call it a draw.
For the people! It's gonna wrap up our time at Universal's Islands of Adventure. Thanks for watching the Theme Park Shark. We'll catch you next time.